Welcome to Sage X3's Vertical Market Customer Success and Demo Series. I'm Dave Cranage, Field Sales Engineer for Sage X3. Today, we'll demonstrate Sage X3's support for the chemical vertical. Sage X3 for chemical delivers built-in capabilities such as formula management, quality control, regulatory compliance, and lot tracking to help businesses in the chemical industry maintain profits and adapt to an uncertain future. In X3, role-based permissions control user access. This dictates what a user can see and do in the system. On the home screen, which we are looking at right now, the user manages daily activities, responsibilities, and real-time reporting using landing pages that are highly customizable with gadgets. Gadgets add toolbars, charts and graphs, inquiries, or specific visual process maps that help a user complete daily tasks. We'll use the manufacturing visual process map to illustrate how X3 automates processes, improves inventory management, and increases system-wide visibility, as well as reporting accuracy. The Product Master is the core of X3 manufacturing. Let's start there. The Product Master is the central source of product information for many X3 business functions. The Product Master screen consists of three sections: the left list, center console, and right panel. Together, they comprise an interactive connected workspace providing a 360-degree view of the product within the system. This centralized product data creates opportunity to optimize manufacturing, procurement, and product lifecycle management, creating potential savings opportunities across the business. X3's Product Master provides chemical-specific capabilities such as formula management, quality control, and regulatory compliance. X3 helps maintain compliance through inventory management, traceability with recall management, lot and sublot control, as well as recontrol and expiration. In addition to the regulatory compliance management controls within the Product Master, X3 also tracks critical product characteristics, as well as provides vital reporting and labeling capabilities, such as certificates of analysis, safety data sheets, and globally harmonized system of classification. On the right panel, let's look at the production slip. This is a great way to quickly view the consolidated information of a manufactured product. Here, you can see the parent product's site, bill of material, and routing information, as well as the multi-level view of the products, intermediates, raw material, and manufacturing operational components. Now that you've seen the Product Master, let's return to the home page to dig into the manufacturing visual process map. Let's start our manufacturing journey by creating a new sales order. Let's select the order entry icon from our manufacturing visual process map. Let's click on the plus to create a new order. I'm going to create the order for customer ABC Industrial. Let's jump down to our sales order lines. And from my action card, I'm going to select the option Product Customer Selection. This shows me the two items that ABC Industrial buys from us. I'm going to select axle grease in 35-pound pails, and they asked for a quantity of 10 pails. Let's go ahead and create the sales order. Scrolling back down to the sales order lines, notice how X3 has used conditional formatting to visually notify me that we have enough axle grease available. That's pretty cool. Let's jump back to our manufacturing visual process map and see where we go from here. Creating new sales orders generates demand. Using X3's powerful MRP engine, we can determine if we have what we need to deliver the product and meet that demand. Let's run MRP to generate suggestions. MRP provides the planning logic necessary to make or buy only what is needed when it is needed. Let's jump back to our manufacturing process map. From here, let's look at MRP's purchase suggestions using the Buyer's Workbench. X3's Buyer's Workbench is a decision support tool for buyers and planners. Let's search for our supplier, NA057, Genesis Manufacturing. By suggesting purchases based on actual product demand, the Buyer's Workbench facilitates grouping of multiple records as the basis of a new order. By selecting the suggested items and clicking on the Generate option, X3 consolidates them into a single purchase order. Let's jump back to our manufacturing process map. Just like purchasing, MRP also makes work order suggestions. Using the Planner's Workbench, I've already converted a planning suggestion into a work order for us to look at. Let's go to the work order icon to drill in and look at the work order created. A work order represents the requirements and details necessary to produce a product. From our right panel, let's use the selection option and click Today. This filters our left list to show us work orders created today, and there's the work order that I created. Once a work order has been released and work has started, we can monitor its progress by accessing the status of the work order. Data collected from the production tracking provides insight into plan versus actual. The WIP cost inquiry option consolidates the detail and shows any variances that have occurred during production of a work order. Access to this type of information is valuable in optimizing manufacturing and improving throughput. Now, let's look at quality control. From our manufacturing visual process map, let's jump over to the Quality tab. As we discussed in the Product Master, regulatory compliance is an important requirement of the chemical industry. By implementing a quality control process, chemical companies can ensure products produced meet all standards of regulatory compliance. Sage X3 provides dedicated quality assurance and reporting functionality integrated with the manufacturing aspects of the system. Centralized data, pertinent dashboards, and targeted reporting provide real-time data analysis for prompt decision-making. Let's head back over to our manufacturing visual process map and ship our order. When production is complete and inventory is replenished, the product is ready to be delivered to the client. On our manufacturing visual process map, we have a delivery icon, but let's jump to the Shipping tab and check out the Shipping Workbench. From the Shipping Workbench, I'll click Create Deliveries to automatically group orders and create shipments based on criteria I've set up. In this case, my criteria is FedEx shipments. Notice I can also automatically create the pick tickets and packing slips for the shipments as well. See how our shipment has appeared on the unscheduled shipments calendar? The calendar gadget can be used to manage the different carrier shipment schedules. We can access our shipment directly from the calendar. X3 has an out-of-the-box API integration to FedEx and UPS online systems, as well as integration to powerful multi-carrier shipping solutions. An integrated shipping solution provides a more efficient shipping process, less errors, and potential for greater profits. Let's go ahead and validate the shipment. This generates an email to the customer with the tracking number embedded so they can monitor the shipment to the door. Let's head back to our manufacturing visual process map. As we traveled through the manufacturing visual process map, a lot of data was recorded along the way. When it's time to analyze and monitor business performance and our key indicators, that data is golden. X3's business intelligence tools provide centralized real-time insight that facilitate planning optimization and the ability to react efficiently across all decision-making processes. With X3's business intelligence tools, companies become more agile, make more accurate decisions, and are increasingly competitive in today's global economy. Through that quick demonstration, you can see how Sage X3 supports the chemical vertical. Thanks for attending Sage X3's Vertical Market Customer Success and Demo Series.